Billy Bob and Luther are fishing one afternoon. Billy Bob tells Luther,
"You know, I reckon I'm about ready for a vacation. Only this year, I'm gonna do it different."
"What do you mean?" asks Luther. Billy Bob continues,
"Well, the last few years, I've been taking your advice about where to go. 3 years ago, you said to go to Hawaii, and I went to Hawaii and Becky got pregnant. Then, 2 years ago, you told me to go to the Bahamas, and Becky got pregnant again. Last year, you suggested Tahiti, and darned if Becky didn't get pregnant again."
Luther asks, "So what you gonna do this year that's different?" Billy Bob replies,
"Well, this time, I'm taking Becky with me."